In this video, we try to understand how we can actually have an access to the existing topography. Like sometimes you jump to prepare for the conceptual design or for a DA application design, but you have problem to find the existing topography. We try to do today to understand how we can actually have access to those topography, and after that, with the control lines within our environment, either when it comes to Revit environment or either when it comes to the Archicad environment, okay? So let's say, okay, for example, okay, you can jump to the InfraWorks. As we done in other videos, okay, you can jump to the other InfraWorks model builder, create your site, and after that, okay, you will find your site downstairs here, okay, in this project. So once you have it, okay, easily just you need to open that site. Well, InfraWorks, as I mentioned in previous videos, you can just jump there to see it. It's a platform that helps to create the conceptual design, and as a part of that, you will be capable to have access to the project, okay, topography. So as you know, like here, for example, if I click on the engineering view, I'm able to see the topography for this project, okay, and see the control line. So the question is how I can actually take this to another platform where I can read it in more details, can work on that one. So in your infra work, if you go to present share and click on share, so export your file as the IMX file. So click on export file. You can actually select the data or sorry, the site location exactly, or you can actually export all the file. Make sure to remember where you have downloaded that file, okay? And you click on export. It will take a couple of seconds or minutes, depends on your site, okay, size, and obviously the area that you need to export. So right now the export process has been done. So thanks, InfraWorks, we need to jump to another platform. So we will jump right now to the Civil 3D, and here you create a new file. Jump to the command line and write IMX, and we need to have the import one. Jump to the file that you already exported and click on import IMX file. Again, it will take a couple of seconds, and now actually it is totally ready. So in fact, if you want to, you can work with the Civil 3D environment because again, okay, if you need to jump here, you can even add the detail about, the topography, and you see it in details with the contours or even with different background, or, you can make it off. The good thing about having Civil 3D, which is also, you can find it free if you have an education license, you're able to select the survey topography and start adding the contour line like that, information like this. So actually you can pick any contour line and just add the labels like this one. Or again, you may be able to click on this one and click on spot elevation, so you can read the exact elevation in your site, which is really good and important when it comes to how actually you can work with the topography. Like sometimes you might just done all your site development from this from Civil 3D and no need to jump to Revit or ArchiCAD, but some of maybe designer prefer to work there. If you wanna, to take this to that level, so you need to do actually an extra step. Firstly, I need to jump here and save this as drawing. I will just save it there. That's it. After that, you need to export this, okay? And you need to click on export Civil 3D drawings. If you don't do that, you would, the other platforms will not be able to read this information. So I click on this one. Okay, and export it. Again, it will take a little bit of time. And click on OK. So right now the file has been exported, and my main file actually it will be the model file. So if I jump to the Revit environment and click on New Architecture Template and jump to the massing and site, go to the Topo, and here actually I will go create from import. But before that, you need to import the file. So you need either to link the CAD file or import the CAD file. Let me just import the file that I'm interested in and go to download. Again, what we are need the file with the word model because it has the data. Okay, you can replace it here. So this is the CAD file with the existing data. Again, if you need, I mean, to check the contours, now it's here. Obviously, you cannot add any details for this one because this is just a CAD view, but still you can have, I mean, the contours here for presentation. But if you need to add it, for your topography, so again, we need to go to the mass and side, go to create from import, click on this one. So once you click on this one, it will start actually implement it like selecting your file. So click on create from CAD. So right now you need to select the right layout. Firstly, like click on check none. We don't need all. What we're interested in that topo for major contour and topo for minor, and click OK. So right now, okay, the topography will start build. So actually now it's ready. If you jump to the 3D view, so actually you can see the topography. So you have the control line and you have the actual topography here inside your Revit environment. If you're interested to do this in Archicad, okay, it's kind of the same, with some differences. So again, this is my Archicad, okay. I need just to drag my file here. Make sure that the unit is correct. So it is in meter, yes, because Civil 3D works in meter. Okay. You can actually in local file system, yes. So actually, right now you have the topography here. However, in ArchiCAD, we cannot, we don't have the capability to make it like in Revit, but at least if you have it right now here, for example, okay, in your ArchiCAD, you're actually able to like draw your mesh, for example, like this one, and after that, start adding your control line, how it is here in the side, like this one. Okay, and after that, start adding the contour lines to your topography. I have done another video, but actually you need to click on this one and start adding the each contour to your topography. See it in other video. So in this way, you have the files, okay, from InfraWorks to jump to the Civil 3D and to jump to the Revit or either, okay, for your ArchiCAD, okay. Again, I might do another video for Civil 3D, but in Civil 3D, in fact, but even you can do some good like options, okay, like to understand the topography. Like if you jump to the slope arrows, like this one, and you click on OK. It will take some time based on the site. So actually here you will be able to see all the slope arrows. This is actually the main rows. That's why actually it looks dense. But if you see this area, you understand exactly, for example, here we have a high point, okay, where here, for example, we have a low point. This is really nice details when it comes to your design. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.